Danny Masterson signs over full custody of daughter Fianna to Bijou Phillips. Danny Masterson, the former star of that 70 Seconds show, has signed over full custody of his daughter Fianna, 9, to his estranged wife Bijou Phillips, according to court documents obtained by People. The actor, who was sentenced to 30 years to life in prison for raping 2 women in 2001 and 2003, requested visitation rights for his daughter, but gave Phillips full legal and physical custody. Phillips, an actress and model who is the daughter of Mamas and the pop singer John Phillips and Genevieve Waite, filed for divorce from Masterson in September, a month after he was convicted by a jury at Los Angeles Superior Court. She also asked for spousal support and to terminate the court's ability to grant support to Masterson. The couple had been married since 2011 and met at a celebrity poker game in 2004. Phillips' lawyer Peter Lawson said in a statement that his client decided to file for divorce during this unfortunate time and that her priority remains with her daughter. He added that Masterson was always present for Phillips during her most difficult times of her life and that she acknowledges that he is a wonderful father to their daughter. He also asked for respect for the family's privacy in these difficult times. Masterson's defense attorney Sean Hawley did not comment on the divorce filing or the custody agreement. Masterson has maintained his innocence throughout the trial and plans to appeal his conviction. He did not show much emotion when the verdict was announced, but he blew a kiss to Phillips before being taken away to prison. Phillips was reportedly distraught over the sentencing and was surrounded by family and friends for support. Masterson's rape case was one of the first high-profile trials in the #MeToo era, which saw dozens of women come forward with allegations of sexual misconduct against powerful men in Hollywood and other industries. Masterson was accused of raping 3 women who were members of the Church of Scientology, like him, between 2001 and 2003. The church allegedly pressured the victims not to report the crimes to the police or seek medical attention. Masterson was arrested in June 2020 and released on bail. He was fired from his Netflix show The Ranch shortly after his arrest. Masterson's case also raised questions about the role of Scientology in Hollywood and its influence on celebrities and law enforcement. Several former members of the church testified during the trial about the church's policies and practices regarding sexual assault allegations. They claimed that the church discourages its members from going to the authorities or speaking out against fellow Scientologists, especially celebrities. They also said that the church has a history of harassing and intimidating former members and critics. Masterson's conviction was seen as a victory for the #MeToo movement and a rare instance of accountability for a celebrity accused of sexual violence. However, some advocates also pointed out that many survivors still face barriers to justice, such as statutes of limitations, lack of evidence, or fear of retaliation. They called for more reforms and resources to support survivors and prevent sexual assault in the first place.